Y'all. It's colder than a mug. Come on. Honey, Jason back there slow grooving, child. His little New York skin used to this. I got to get my southern soul up in this building. Come on here. Jeez. Y'all. Y'all, we okay, alright, listen, okay. We finna go ice fishing, but they said we're gonna drive on the ice. How you feel about being on the ice, baby? Driving. You alright with it?
I'm good. I mean,
I don't know, y'all. What you mean if it I need to get in somebody else's car with that kind of attitude. You already skating on that ice. Y'all, how many of us gonna be out there at one time? That car with us two in the front?
Yeah, that's the one that's leading us.
So so it's 4 cars. Honey, I don't know if we need to be in the front or the back. We might need to be at the very back.
Nah, I'm good right where
we
I'm
in
at.
the middle.
Yeah.
Alright, so we need to make a game plan. And it's so cold. It is mad brick, sun brick. Mad. Oh, that look like ice. You nervous? I am. Cause this actually a lake, y'all. We actually, ooh, we ain't on the ice, this is water. No, we gonna drive down the boat ramp and everything. Oh my goodness, what's wrong with folks? Y'all, and then look how the wind blowing. Look, somebody already out there.
Yeah.
Oh, we better get on the ice. Hold on. This is the ice, cause this is the boat ramp. Honey, follow right in them,
No, ain't no follow right in them.
Yeah, you need to follow in them trails.
Listen,
in that time.
shush.
Okay, all right, you right.
I mean, following nothing.
All right, don't worry
I'm
about
giving
it.
them
Go
enough
ahead.
space.
Yeah, this one's. What is that moving around like that? Honey. Where the house is? They already got it out here? I don't know. I'm asking you questions like you don't know.
Like I've been here.
Okay, them the houses. Them ain't no houses.
Yes, it is.
We're gonna be in them. I thought they looked like. I don't know, Terry. Let me go ask you questions. You don't know. But you see how it look wet.
Bruh.
Okay. See, you see what I'm talking about? The single one. Slippery, y'all. You getting out? You parking right here?
No.
Where you gonna go?
Baby.
It ain't bad. Oh, okay. This is luxurious. Yeah, isn't this cool? Yeah, this is. Look at there you go, girl. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we're not gonna be. But you ain't.
You're on it. On the board.
Oh.
That's all right. It's just easy.
It didn't count. You didn't grab them.
She could reach down and grab right now if she really wanted to. Ah.
Okay.
Nice.
Ice fishing the bougie way.
Nasty. Oh, there you go. Ain't bad.
Mm-hmm. Don't look over here.
Okay, so I done caught 2 so far. Got Big Pop over there in the corner. We parked on the ice. Be still, honey, so you get a be your butt still. Get. Yeah, he thick. Cause he thick. Alright, let's go down and get us something. So y'all see it dropping down. That's my, oh, I might need to come at the top. That's my minnow. Keep going all the way, and then boom, that red part is the bottom. Alright. So then I'm just gonna reel this up a bit. Now that's me.
Label that unfadable, so you don't try to fade this, because I'm back to the lecture at hand.
I'm walking on the frozen lake, y'all. Ooh, Jesus. Oh, Lord, get me in the car, honey. Get me in the car. Ew. Yo. Ooh, come on. Ooh. Ready for action. I got on 2 pair of socks. One of them heated socks. I got on a pair of leggings, a pair of jogging pants, 2 overalls, insulated DSG outerwears, 3 jackets, and a heat vest. I got on a hat and a headband, ear warmer mother thing. I got on 2 pair of gloves. These are actually heated too, but I'm ready. Cause how much degrees is out there?
3.
3. You ready? Look at him. Look, y'all, I need to calm down.
Oh yeah, I see that. I see the whole line of houses out. Yeah.
That's about the size of my walleye this morning.
That's a meal right there. Like a 13-incher.
It's my first. That's all that matters.
All right,
I'm on the board.
Oh, shit, are you? Come on now. Come on, next over there. There's a pike or something. Or a bass. There we go.
Yeah,
Yeah,
get behind
nice.
that. Behind that. Behind that. Yeah, you got him. Nice.
Get the picture.